Good morning, students. Myself, Aparna Shrivastava. Today, we are going to study articles. Children, what is articles? The word a, an, and the are called articles. You all know it. Where we are using articles? We use them before the nouns. That means in your sentence, before the noun, we are supposed to use articles. Basically, they are demonstrative adjectives and are used to point out people or things. So basically, what is article? This is an demonstrative adjective which we are using to point out the things or the people. There are two types of articles, indefinite and definite articles. Let's start with the indefinite article. A or an is called the indefinite article because it usually leaves indefinite the person or thing spoken of. What I mean to say, when we are saying a or an, we are using this with such kind of things which are not definite, which are indefinite. Like a doctor, that is any doctor. That means when you are not particular about the thing, for that we are using indefinite article, that is a and an. But of course, a and an we are using with the singular countable nouns. The indefinite article is used before singular countable nouns. Okay, children? The things which we can count, and if they are singular in number, with that we can use a or an. Like a book, an orange, a girl. Next is definite article. The is called the definite article. I've told you, and you also know it very well, that they are basically two types, either a or an, and second article is the. So the is called the definite article because it normally points out some particular person or thing. That means when we are talking about a particular person or a particular thing, there we have to use the. For example, he saw the doctor, meaning some particular doctor. That means in this sentence, I am talking about a particular doctor. He saw the doctor. The definite article is used before singular countable nouns, plural countable nouns, and uncountable nouns. That means if we are talking about the singular a and an, if we are talking about a or an, such articles we are supposed to use only with the singular nouns. But when we are saying the, so the we can use with the singular countable nouns or with the plural countable nouns and with the uncountable nouns also. For example, the book. This is a singular countable noun. But of course, here we are talking about a particular book. Then the books. Again, here this is a plural countable noun, but of course we are talking about particular books here. Then the milk. Milk is uncountable noun which we cannot count. So with that also, if we are talking about a specific kind of milk or a milk which is kept in a specific container or jar, there we can use the milk. Now here, rules related with the a or an, where we have to use a or where we can use an. The choice between a and an is determined by sound. This you all know. From your primary classes, you all know it very well that a or an we are determining by the sound, by its sound. Now, which sound? Before a word beginning with the vowel sound, an is used. If a word is starting with the vowel, or if a word giving a sound of a vowel, with that word we have to use an. For example, an, as. So here you can see a in the a double s as. So a is a vowel. An enemy. You can see this word enemy starting with the vowel e. An ink pad. Ink pad starting with the vowel I. An orange, an R. But here, children, in an R and an honest man, you can see that the word is starting R. The spelling of R is starting with the alphabet H. And here, in the word honest, the spelling is starting with the alphabet H. So, why we are using an? We are using an because initially these words are giving us the sound of a vowel. Though the word is starting with the alphabet H, which is a consonant, but it is giving us the sound of a vowel. The word R and honest begin with the vowel sound, as the initial consonant H is not pronounced. We have not pronounced the initial consonant, which is H, and R, and honest. Okay. Next point is, before a word beginning with a consonant sound, a is used. This is simple, children. Where we can use a, or where we have to use a, where the word is starting with the consonant sound. Okay. You can see a boy, B, a woman, W, a horse, H, a university, a union, a European, etc. Now here in these words, university, union and European, though these words are starting with the vowel, but the rule is same. Though it is starting with the vowel, but then it is giving us the sound of a consonant. The word university and union begin with the consonant, but sound Y, U. Okay. Here few more examples, children. An ox and a cow. A rubber doll in an iron box. An hour and a few minutes. A valuable hint from an experienced teacher. An egg with a slice of bread in the baskets. An honest servant and an honorable man. Here you can see in the first sentence, the first word, that's your after an ox. So it is starting with a vowel. That's why we have used an. Then next blank, after that cow is there, which is starting with the consonant C. That's why we have used a over there. Similarly, children, you can see the other examples also. Last one, just see that the word honest, though again it is starting with the H, but it is giving us the sound of O, honest, honorable, O. That's why we have used an with that. I hope, am I clear up till now? with the use of a and an. One more time, let's recall that a we are using with the consonant sound if the spelling is starting with the consonant there, or if the spelling though it is starting with a vowel but giving us a sound of consonant, there we have to use a article. Then and we have to use when the word is giving us the sound of a vowel, though it may be starting with the consonant, but if in pronunciation it is giving us the sound of vowel, then we have to use an as an article. Okay. Next is the. We use the before any noun when we want to particularize it. That's what I have told you in the beginning also, that the we are using when we want to particularize anything or any person. For example, I was reading the book which you have given to me. So here I am talking about that particular book which you have given to me. So that's why I have used the article the book which you have given to me. Are you coming to the birthday party? Here I'm not talking about any birthday party, I'm talking about a particular birthday party. That's why I have used the birthday party. Then next we have to use the with the superlatives. You know your 3 degrees of comparison, children, we have done in the previous chapter, that the positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So with the superlative degrees we have to use the. Rohan is the tallest boy of his class. That means among all the students of his class, he is the tallest one. Soumya is the most beautiful girl of our school. That means among all the girls of our school, she is the most beautiful girl. So I'm talking about so here we are talking about the superlative. Superior than others. With the words like first, last, next, only. That means the words which are showing us the position. With that we have to use the. Madhu is the only daughter of her parents. He was the first man to arrive. So here the position, the first man. And with the word only, na? Madhu is the only daughter. We have used the word only, that's why along with that we have to use the. Next is with a common noun when that noun represent the whole class. When we are talking about the common nouns and that noun is representing a class, a whole class, there we have to use the. Like the cow is a useful animal. Here I am not talking about a particular one cow or two cow. I am talking about the class, the whole class of the cows. That's why I have used the cow is a useful animal. The dove is a very gentle bird. Next, with such nouns as earth, moon, sun, sky, etc. These are the universal things, universal truth also. The earth revolves around the sun. That's a universal truth. And then along with the word earth, we have to use the. The earth revolves around the sun, which is unique in itself. We don't have any other kind of that. Okay, with these such sorts of words, we have to use the. There were no clouds in the sky. Okay. Next is with the names of river, sea and ocean. That's very simple. With the name of all rivers, seas and ocean, we have to use the Ganga, the Nile, the Pacific, etc. With the name of mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Alps, etc. With the name of holy books. When we are talking about holy books with the name of any of the holy book, we have to use the Ramayana, the Bible, etc. With the name of countries, if the name includes words like republic, united, and kingdom. With that, many times children ask me a question that, ma'am, why it is the UK, why it is the USA, why not the India? Why not? Because we can use the along with the name of such countries which includes, if the name of such countries includes the word like republic, united, and kingdom. With that, we can use the United Kingdom, that's UK, the United States of America, that's the USA, etc. With the name of trains, ships, aeroplanes, etc. The Rajdhani Express, this is the name of a train. The Indian Airlines, name of an airlines. With the name of newspapers, the Hindustan Times, the Times of India, etc. With the name of well-known buildings, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, etc. So these all are the names of rivers, sea, oceans, names of mountains, names of holy books, names of ships, trains, aeroplanes, names of newspaper, name of buildings, well-known buildings, not only ordinary building, the well-known building, we can use the with that. Okay. Next is, okay, I hope am I clear with your article the. Okay, the we are using when we want to particularize anything, when we are talking about any particular thing. There we can use the. Now the omission of article. These are the rules where we can omit the article. Okay, let's start. First one is, no article is used with the proper nouns. When we are talking about the proper nouns, there we are not supposed to use the. Okay, like Chandragupta Maurya was a great king. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai. You might get confused, children, that ma'am, in previous slide you said that the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, then why not here? Taj Mahal and Red Fort is also a proper noun. Of course, that's also a proper noun, but the rule is said that with the name of well-known buildings, we are supposed to use the. And here the omission of article said that when no article is used with the proper noun. Okay, so we are not supposed to include the building here. Okay, because that's a well-known building. So with that we have to use the, but here other than that, the proper noun, we are not supposed to use the. No article is used with abstract noun. Abstract noun, what is abstract noun, children? Which we cannot see. We can only feel and think about. Okay, that's abstract noun. So with the abstract noun, we are not supposed to use the. Beauty pleases our eyes. Wisdom is admired everywhere. Okay, no article is used with such noun as gold, silver, water, etc., which name material. That means with the name of material noun, we are not supposed to use article. Gold is a precious metal. So gold here is a name of a material. Children should drink milk every day. So milk here is a material. So with the name of the material, we are not supposed to use the. Now, in spite of these rules, there are a few more things which you have to keep in mind. These are, whenever a noun, here we are talking about any kind of noun, wherever a noun is particularized, we have to use the definite article the with that. Okay, so whenever any kind of noun, if it is particularized, there we have to use the. For example, you can see here, milk is good for health. The word milk names a material which just now I have told you in the upper point. So no article is used. according to your previous point, which I have explained you just now, no article is used with such nouns as gold, silver, water, etc., which name materials. So, according to this rule, we are not supposed to use the along with milk, but the milk in the bottle for is for baby. So here I am talking about the particular milk which is in the bottle. I'm not talking about the whole milk. I'm talking about a particular milk which is in the bottle. That milk is for baby. Okay? I hope am I clear with you people? That of course we have given you some rules related with a, an and the. Of course there is omission of articles, but in spite of that you have to keep in mind few only one thing, that is whenever a noun of any kind is particularized, we are talking about a particular kind, there we have to use the. But if we are not talking about particular, if we are talking about in general, then we have to follow all other rules. Okay. Okay, now this is the exercise. Fill in the blanks with an article, a, an, or the. Are you coming to the party next Saturday? Of course, here I'm talking about a particular party which is going to be held on coming Saturday. I bought a new TV set yesterday. So, a because singular, and moreover the word new starting with a consonant. I think the man over there is very ill. He can't stand on his feet. So I'm talking about a particular man. Which man? Who is, which is over there. So that particular man is ill. So with the particularized thing, we are supposed to use the. I watched the video you had sent me. So here again I'm talking about that particular video which you have sent me. So that's why I have used the. She was wearing an ugly dress when she met him. So her dress, which dress? Here we are not talking about the particular, no? Here we are saying the ugly dress. So this is the word ugly starting with the vowel. That's why we have used an. I am crazy about reading dash history books. So nothing to be mentioned here. A history book will not be correct. An history book also wrong. So here the cross. No article. She is a nice girl. Do you want to go to the restaurant where we met first time? So again, a particular restaurant we are talking about where we met first time. Okay, that's why. He is an engineer. Engineer starting with the vowel E. He thinks that love is what will save us all. So here again with the abstract noun love, we are not supposed to use any article. Okay, children, that's all for today. Your homework is solve. You have to solve exercise of your grammar book related with your this chapter. Okay, children. Okay. Good day.